Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your WhatsApp chats on iPhone to Google Drive. Now I'm going to show you what's in my opinion the best way. There are some other ways but I'm going to show you the best way right now. You have to understand that this is WhatsApp and I'm going to have a blur some personal info, but let's jump into it. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. Once you have opened up your WhatsApp, then you need to go to the settings. So by default, you'll be on your chats. Go to the bottom right, then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and you should then see chats. So go ahead and click on chats, and then you have some options right now. If you want to move your chats to Android, you just go ahead and follow the instructions at the bottom here where it says move chats to Android. If you just want to export to your Google Drive, go ahead and click on export chat. Once you've clicked on export chat, it will open this window and show you frequently contacted people and then your recent chats. Now you're going to have to import or export your chats one by one. So I'm going to click on the top one here and it's then going to give me the option. Okay, do I want to export the chat with the media or without the media? Now, if you have got a long chat history and you've got a lot of media exporting with media, it's going to take longer to obviously export. I'm going to choose here without media. That's then going to load up this window and you can see WhatsApp chat. And in this case, I'm just exporting the chat with my mom. So what you want to do now is scroll through these apps and then you should then see Google Drive. So go ahead and then click on Google Drive. Then you can see you're uploading to your Google Drive account. At the bottom here, you can see the email you're uploading to and the folder and where it's going. I'm going to click upload on this. That's then upload that chat to Google Drive. Now here I am in Google Drive and you can see I've got the WhatsApp chat uploaded here at the top. So that's how you can essentially back up WhatsApp on your iPhone to Google Drive. You're going to have to do this for all of the chats you want to back up, but this is pretty much the only option. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.